This is the story of a boy who was very bad at school. He only had poor grades in class. He was considered a failure, someone who would never succeed in life. He repeated grades 6 times, causing a huge delay in his academic journey, but despite his mediocrity, he always managed to pass his exams. However, he had one great quality, his honesty. He never cheated, despite his lack of academic skills. Step by step, he advanced through his school years. Then, against all odds, he barely obtained his high school diploma with a score of 10, surprising everyone. He proved wrong those who never believed in him. Now, the next challenge was to find a good job. Unlike his classmates, he did not choose to pursue further studies. Instead, he courageously and determinedly submitted his CV. When he arrived at a company, he spoke with the employer, who asked about his educational background. He replied that he had obtained his high school diploma. The employer looked at him with a mocking smile and told him that it was not enough to work there. The young man responded, "Sure, I may not have an impressive academic background, but I have a great sense of honor. I may not be rich in diplomas, but I am rich in humility, which is an excellent quality. I may not have a bachelor's degree, but I have a deep sense of integrity, which is a mark of honor and bravery. I may not be highly intellectual, but I am punctual, which is a key ingredient for success and excellence." Amazed, the employer replied, "You are ready, you got the job." And so this beautiful story came to an end.